Okay, it's been a long, hard battle, but delivery day is here. We finally got this beauty all fixed up and back together, and she sounds amazing. So let's go over some of the stuff. So now that 200 volt 1949 big ass switch is gone, and we have very small, sexy, momentary switch with a waterproof gasket cover over it. Upgrade the fronts to M mats, kept the radio, M mats on the lowers. So I asked him to give me an extra couple of days on the bags, because what happened is, if you remember, they glued down the wires. So we removed the wires, we reran them, and then we sanded it down. But then even after spraying the inside of the bags, I didn't like the way it looked. So he gave me an extra day, and I had Francis carpet it. So now the bags look awesome on the inside. There's our 8-inch woofers. Replaced the subwoofers that were in there. Now we actually have 8-inch woofers that don't rattle the heck out of the bag. And MAT 6 points. So now the audio on this bike looks as good as the bike does. And it sounds amazing.